grab her hand?
No, it's a gopher.
Hey, you made it.
Here, spread out, y'all, from her. Evan, Patty, scoop.
I'm ruining the hole.
I know. We gotta smash it anyway.
You're gonna have to get it. Yay!
Saw someone else do this and wanted to give it a try. This is what 5'6" and 235 pounds looks like. Your turn.
Wow, you look good today, babe. Mwah.
Hey, babe.
Babe, weren't you just inside?
No, my pregnant twin sister is here. Did you not notice the belly?
What belly, and why is she always here?
Are you serious, Kellen? Did you kiss her again? Dude, she has a huge belly. You can't confuse us.
1 second, babe.
Shh, the baby's yours.
Damn it!
Guys. Yes
What?
or no?
No, Dana, he's a prankster. Don't get near him.
This is for $10,000. Is it yes or no?
We wouldn't have to sell your dresses,
I don't
Dana.
know. I'm gonna go with yes.
Yes?
No, Dana, he's a prankster. Go with no.
Okay, no.
Okay, no. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
You guys get chopstick.
Sell the dresses, Dana.
You see that sexiness right there? Yep. I tapped that ass. It's mine. You see that sexiness right there? Right there? That sexiness right there? I tapped that ass.
Fucking playing with me, T! Stop! Why are you throwing my shit on? I paid for all this shit. If you want to keep it, I paid for all this shit then. Now what? Now what? Now what? You gonna throw my shit on? I paid for it. No, now you what? paid for shit. Now what? I paid for it. Hey, now what? Now what? Bitch, what the fuck do you want from me? Your life. How about that? I told your ass to leave me the fuck alone. Huh? You belong to me. What the fuck? So come on, you can come back to my shit. No.
Jay, say one.
I'm trying to eat Chipotle. Chipotle.
Say one.
Chipotle.
Come on, Jay, say one.
Bichotazo, muñeño.
El diablo.
Somos los graves, mamá.
Got it.
Ý mắt đi, tí cô. Theo khi tu cặp. Theo khi tu cặp. Honey, I'm sorry.
No.
Wait, bro, what you doing? You're not wearing a face mask.
Yeah, bro. We don't need a face mask anymore. We got the vaccine.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
Damn! 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 Damn!
Yeah, that's definitely COVID.
What the fuck?
Oh, don't worry.
We got the vaccine.
Wait, bro, watch out for the car.
Come on, bro. Tell that car to watch out for me. I got the vaccine.
Oh my God, you're right. I don't know why I keep
Yeah, I showed that car.
Yeah.
Hey, run it! Yeah, you! Empty them pockets! Hurry up!
Bro, we got the vaccine.
What up, Juicy? Yo, what the